Another problem with the front track. I finished the Congo Nile Trail yesterday and this happened. So Congo Nile Trail, very good riding. For the most part, it's at least the part that I did, because I didn't do the whole Congo Nile Trail because for visa problems I had to get going. So the part that I did is 99.99. No, it's all. Sorry, I've been drinking a bit. It's all dirt, and I'd say for the most part, I think 80%, or let's say maybe 50% double track and 30% single track, and but then it's basically 100% dirt. It's really nice, really good scenery. You go up and down loads of steep hills, so you're in high elevation in comparison to the lake, and then you go down the lake and then up and down. It's all crazy around the lake, and very good riding. You go through these tropical landscapes that is farmed for the most part, so you will encounter loads of banana trees, banana plantation, coffee, cassava, uh, a sort of potato. You will see loads of guava trees, avocados, mangoes. It's beautiful. What I didn't like about the trail was that the tourist board that set it up, I think it's the Rwandan tourist board, I'm assuming that, could have done a little better with the signpost, because it's signposted for the most part, but sometimes you get to a junction and you don't know where to go. But with maps.me and there's on bikepacking.com, there is a track that you can download, so you should be fine. um, what else? I didn't like the fact that this tourist board, whoever set up the Congo Nile Trail, established some camp base or base camp. I don't know how they call them exactly, but they're not proper campsite. They are very expensive. They lack of facilities. They have maybe one or two people staying every month or two, so they're not well organized. For example, the first one was in a coffee washing station or plantation, is where they wash coffee. So that's their business, but they let you camp in their backyard, and they give you the facilities of the staff, so you have to use the toilet of the staff, and you still have local people come and going all night to check what you're doing, and so the second one, I didn't actually go down to the campsite, but it looked like it's in a health center or doctor or little clinic. I don't know. It was very. Didn't think it was worth just to check out. I did wild camping, and I camped one time on the beach. It was a very grassy beach on the lake. It was very humid. It was a very humid night. So the next night I camped on a big hill, and again I asked permission to a local person to camp outside around down houses that he had there, and there was nothing going on. It was he had a coffee plantation around, and I just camped there, and it was free again. I would refuse to pay $10 for something that is not an established campsite. And other than that, also what I don't fully like is that it's very difficult to engage with Rwandan people. And it's the first time that happens to me in Africa that I really feel like a big outsider, and there's lots of begging on the trail. The kids will ask you money all the time, so just be prepared, get used to that. It's just that's how it is in Rwanda, and the riding is great. You will have very steep hills, and and steep downhill, but it's great. I would, if you are considering doing the Congo Nile Trail, I would totally recommend it. It's very easy, it's very safe, you shouldn't have any problem, even if you do wild camping. But again, expect like loads of staring and loads of people coming and going to check what you're doing. So thank you very much for following my adventure. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Like the video, hit the bell button, and if you have any question, just send me a message through my website. There is a contact form on alaska to patagonia.com, and otherwise just follow me on Instagram at Davide Travelli, and send me a message there, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also you will see some photographs on my Instagram, so it's worth that you check out my Instagram too. Ciao!